The Producer Price Index, or PPI, surged last month, far outpacing economists' forecasts and suggesting that President Trump's tariffs are starting to significantly drive up the cost of imported goods. Wholesale inflation rose 0.9% in July from the prior month, the Labor Department said Thursday, outstripping economists' expectations for a 0.2% increase. The jump marks the largest in more than 3 years, since June 2022. The PPI, which measures price changes before they reach consumers, suggests cost hikes are on the way for shoppers, economists said. So far in 2025, consumer prices have been slow to rise despite economists' warnings that Mr. Trump's wide-ranging tariff agenda would hike costs for both U.S. businesses and consumers. That's partly because some importers took steps to offset the impact by pre-ordering inventory and absorbing some tariffs to shield consumers in the short term. But because those were stopgap measures, economists have warned consumers are unlikely to be insulated from tariff-driven inflation indefinitely. The latest PPI data underscores that higher prices are rippling through the economy, experts say. Tariff-exposed goods are rising at a rapid clip, indicating that the willingness and ability of businesses to absorb tariff costs may be waning, Oxford economics analysts said in a research note Thursday, noting that the wholesale price increases were broad-based. We anticipate broader signs of tariff-driven inflation in the data over time as inventories roll over and firms adjust pricing under margin pressure, they said. The PPI report comes 2 days after July's Consumer Price Index was slightly cooler than economists had expected, rising 2.7% on an annual basis. The CPI measures changes in prices for goods and services typically bought by consumers. The PPI report indicates that the new tariffs are continuing to generate cost pressures in the supply chain, which consumers will shoulder soon. Pantheon Macroeconomics chief U.S. economist Samuel Toombs said in a research note Thursday. For latest updates, subscribe our YouTube channel.